Well, I got here a little late, so I'm taking the dirt road to cut through the trail. Then I'm gonna go on the loop 1/3 of the way over. So yeah, got here a little late. It's like 40 degrees, which is a little too cold, but once you get riding, it's okay. But yeah, it's gonna get dark before I'm done with the trail probably, which is okay. But I'm just cutting it a little short by taking this dirt road up to the top. Alright, so I came up the gem trail. There's a guy going the other direction. He looked at me like I was crazy. But the sign says from this point onward is downhill only. So we're good. You can come up here. The dead ringer that way. Goosebumps. That's where I'm going. Alright, right off the bat, it's fun. Oh man, I forgot how much fun the gem trail was, and this is just like it. A lot of ups and downs. I don't know how to keep speed up though. Anyway. Bit of climbing here. Alright. Oh geez, going against the wind. Okay, so I was going down and there's this trail that splits off to the left. I'm not sure what it is. It could be that blue one right there. Either way, the answer is to go right. I think it's too early to be the blue one, but anyway. So far, I haven't been going very fast because of the wind. And it's really up and down. So maybe loosen or tighten your shocks a little bit so that you can have more room to pedal. I don't know. Anyway, maybe it'll be fun once I get past this ridge right here. Wow, cool. This is a cool ridge here. I think maybe people are just making these trails up. Guessing I stick to the right here. I may not even be on the right track at all. Ooh. Yeah, there's so many trails around here. What the heck? Sandy. I'm just gonna go straight. My eyes are watering. It's harder to see. I have no idea where I am or. Hope things turn out okay. Man, this doesn't look right. Well, this seems wrong, this ditch, but according to my phone, which might not be right, it's more in the direction of the parking lot than that way. So, I mean, maybe. Oh geez, it really does curl around, huh? Huh. Maybe I should go back and maybe see if I can hug these, whatever they're called, mesas. Are these mesas? I don't know. So I went back up, and then if you go down that steep hill and turn right, that's how you get to where I am. Here's this. I don't know where the signs are. There were tons of signs over there. No signs on these trails at all. But I think I should try it. Here's a sign. What's this? Blue. Let's go blue. It wasn't black, so. Maybe I'll regret this. Hey, that was cool. Oh, well, this is kind of steep. Oh, cool. Okay, that was fun. Strong wind. Ah. Okay. Oh, good. Go right. Yeah, I didn't think I was that far. That's the blue straight one that goes straight towards the parking lot. I'm going on the longer trail. Goosebump loop. Yeah, something like that. All right, so up here again, against another one of these things. Turns left again. And something interesting is it's marked as an intermediate trail, but look at this. Does this look intermediate too? This is extremely rolly and flat. Not flat, but smooth. And yeah, this is a beginner trail. I think maybe fitness might be intermediate, but you don't really even have to go fast. Like, to keep speed, I think you have to be good at like pump track, but this is easy. This is easy as far as skill level. I guess even difficult trails you can kind of walk down the hard stuff. So to do it right, maybe you need to be to do it right, you have to be intermediate for this. But nah, it's easy. All right, I just climbed quite a bit. I thought I was starting at the top, but I was wrong. Elevation is so high. On the other side of this, there appears to be some kind of glacier. That's above that is where Gooseberry Mesa is. That's why this is called Goosebump Loop or some whatever. Okay. Wow, that's pretty. Can't see the snow. Oh well. I'll record again once I can see it again. Ooh, that was sharp. I just remembered on the trail it does say beginner. So, yeah. All that stuff I said earlier, just disregard that. This is cool though. Oh wow. I didn't expect that. It's cool though. Ugh. This is fun. There we go, finally. Yeah, you really need to try to pedal and use the ups and downs. Doesn't matter anymore. Okay. Yeah, see there, snow. Alright, so I climbed up there, came around, I came from here. That sign says that this is Goosebumps. And it's a cool place up here. I wonder what that was. Little slabs of concrete there. And then a cliff here. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's beautiful up here. And I think that parking lot straight ahead is where I came from. So, let's go. All right, this should be fun. Mostly downhill now. That's a cool rock. Downhill and cool rocks to look at. Maybe we'll be able to ride on some of them. All those joined. Okay. Oh wow, interesting. Let's try it. Oh, that was fun. This is way fun. This has been a super fun trail. A lot of jumps before this. I don't know if it wasn't recording before or if it stopped and I didn't notice, but there's an area that's going alongside a cliff. There's a sign saying where the trail was. So yeah, this has been amazing. The jumps part, it's just kind of nice now, but where the jumps were, that was amazing. Oh, this is cool. All right. Wait, really? This is it? Or did I miss something? Huh. I guess that's it. It actually says more difficult. Yeah, that was it. Okay. Huh. Well, all right. Half the trail was like 4 out of 10. That part was 8 out of 10. Maybe 9. I enjoyed it a lot. Okay, didn't know it was on the other side of that. Yeah, it really is this till the end, huh? No camping. I think that was it. Maybe here or something? What is this? Well, so far it looks fun. Probably a bad idea. Let's see how far it goes. Maybe it just stops somewhere randomly. I don't know. Or joins back up with the dirt road. Oh, hey, that was actually the right way to go. Sweet. Okay. A lot of sagebrush here. And then it joins up with Crypto Bionic. So yeah, would have ended up here. Would have missed all that fun too. We just joined up with it, and now it goes straight up to Sheepbridge Trailhead where I came from. Cool. Dead ringer. And here we are, back at the parking lot. I think. I don't see my car. Oh, there it is, way back there. Cool. And that's it. That's Goosebumps loop, I guess. Overall 7 out of 10. Wow. Really cool out here.